Hey, what's up, everybody? Got that sun in the background? Oh, go ahead, girl.
Hey, y'all, it's us, and we're in the back end of Riverside, so we decided to film over here because it's a lot quieter and you can hear us, but we're going to show you the front side of Riverside. It's another great area in Jacksonville that has that restaurant vibe. It's just a row of restaurants down here. You can walk, meet with the people.
Let's spin around real quick. Let's show you.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, let's do that.
Wow, look at this, man. Look. Even though we really can't see no restaurants right now.
Yeah, it's the back end.
Busy over there. I'm fading out to black right now.
So this is a little piece of Riverside. It's very popular, very populated with different restaurants.
It's just in your hands, yeah, yeah. I done all I can, yeah, yeah. Sticking to the plan, yeah, yeah. So I'm running on the beat for a skunk, yeah, yeah. Watch me do my dance, yeah, yeah. It's just in your hands, yeah, yeah. I done all I can, yeah, yeah. So I'm running on the beat for a skunk, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, I'm right on time already, told y'all once. Problems want attention, I don't give them much. You can tell my word.
Yo, what's up? This is Keith and Carol with Share Life Properties.
Hey, y'all. So, all right. So, we just wanted to stop in just to remind you that Share Life Properties is a builder's community, and we are building families, we are building businesses, and we are building communities. So if this speaks to you, definitely join us this quarter, and we want to stop by and just tell you. So there's 2 ways that you can engage with us in the 4th quarter of the year, y'all. So we are hosting and we are leading the Helping Without Hurting course. So this week is the last week to let us know you're interested in the course. And that is going to change the mindset, that property mindset, right? We're coming in, we're busting that wide open, because that is the reason why these communities look the same. There's a property mindset at play. And then in the second way that you're being familiar with, just working with us and listening and hearing and just sharing, is
North Jacksonville Real Estate Forum on November the 1st. What time is that occur?
7 p.m. and that's a Tuesday.
Okay.
Eastern Standard Time.
Remember, Eastern Standard Time. And if you're on Central, it's 6 p.m. Don't forget that. It's a big difference.
Yes. So again, come check us out. Come hang with us in this last quarter of the year. Share Life Properties. We invest in youth through real estate is our motto. And just come learn more. Come get that wisdom that we have for you to think differently about investing in real estate. That's what this is about. It's a mindset shift, right? We're so used to the old way of doing it, and it doesn't change communities. It doesn't bring forth community restoration. But the way we're teaching you, the way we're talking and having these forums and discussions, we're giving you new ways to think about investing in real estate when you convene with Keith and Carol of Share Life Properties. So we look forward to seeing you guys in this quarter, and we love you all. Thanks for joining us on this journey, because it is a journey.
And then you see how engaged, act, and invest my baby is. Come on and join us if you want to be a part of this. We love y'all. God bless. Peace.
Bye.
If you don't like building, what's wrong? Come on now. Building communities is the way to go. That should be excitement.
Yes.
Seeing your money get put to good usage.
Yes.
On attention, I don't give them much. You can tell my worries that I'm signing off.